Did you know that the human brain has around 100 billion neurons? These neurons communicate with one another through electrical and chemical signals, enabling us to think, feel, and interact with our surroundings. Furthermore, the brain is in charge of many of the body's activities, such as movement, sensation, and even the heartbeat. It's a wonderfully magnificent organ. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the human brain, the most complex organ in the human body. The brain is responsible for all the functions in our body, from our thoughts, emotions, and actions. In this video, we're going to share with you 11 amazing facts about the human brain. Before getting into the video, subscribe to our channel Campacifica and click the bell button to make sure you don't miss any updates. Fact number 1, the human brain weighs about 3 pounds. The brain is positioned in the skull and weighs about 3 pounds or about 2% of the total body weight. The brain, despite its modest size, contains billions of neurons and trillions of connections between them. It regulates physical activities like breathing and heart rate, as well as higher cognitive functions like memory, emotion, and reasoning. The brain is divided into regions, each with its own set of functions, and it communicates with the rest of the body via the nervous system. While the brain may appear to be light in comparison to the rest of the body, its significance in forming our experiences and shaping who we are cannot be understated. Fact number 2, the human brain uses 20% of the body's energy. Although the brain only makes up about 2% of the body's weight, it requires a significant amount of energy to function properly. The brain uses about 20% of the body's energy, even though it only makes up a small percentage of the body's total weight. Fact number 3, the human brain is capable of generating new neurons. For many years, it was assumed that the human brain stopped producing new neurons at a certain age. Recent research, however, has demonstrated that the brain can make new neurons throughout life, a process called neurogenesis. This mostly occurs in two brain regions, the hippocampus, which is involved in learning and memory, and the olfactory bulb, which is involved in scent processing. While the rate of neurogenesis slows with age, it is thought that physical activity, a good diet, and certain drugs and supplements might stimulate the formation of new neurons. This finding has important implications for the treatment of neurodegenerative illnesses and mental health disorders, since it shows that it may be able to encourage the development of new neurons to replace damaged or lost ones. Fact number 4, the human brain can reorganize itself. The human brain is a highly flexible organ that may reconfigure itself in response to environmental changes, damage, or learning. This is referred to as neuroplasticity, and it entails the development of new brain connections as well as the strengthening of old ones. Neuroplasticity is important in learning and memory because it helps the brain to compensate for damaged areas by rerouting functions to undamaged locations. In reaction to changes in behavior or thought patterns, the brain can even rearrange itself, resulting in long-term alterations in the way the brain processes information. Practicing a new skill or indulging in regular exercise, for example, can stimulate the creation of new neurons and reinforce brain connections, resulting in improved cognitive performance. The ability of the brain to remodel itself is crucial for healing from injuries and diseases, emphasizing the significance of lifelong learning and brain health. Fact number 5, the human brain is more active at night than during the day. While the brain is busy throughout the day, evidence suggests that it is much more active at night than during the day. The activity patterns of the brain are governed by an internal biological clock known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates the body's sleep-wake cycle. The brain is focused on tasks such as decision-making, problem-solving, and social interactions during the day, but at night, it transforms into a state that is more suited to consolidating memories, processing emotions, and performing vital maintenance and repair operations. This change in brain activity could explain why some people are more creative or productive at night and others are more awake and focused during the day. Disruptions in the sleep-wake cycle, such as those produced by shift work or jet lag, can, on the other hand, have a negative influence on brain function and overall health. As a result, it is critical to maintain a healthy sleep habit to support good brain function. Are you a college student looking for the best deals on textbooks, furniture, and other essentials? Look no further than our classified app designed specifically for students. With our app, you can easily browse and buy from a wide selection of items that have been listed by fellow students in your area. Our app makes it easy to connect with other students on your campus, so you can get the best deals on the items you need. Download our app today and start saving money on the items you need as a college student. It's quick, easy, and completely free. Without further delay, let's get into fact number 6. The human brain can process information at incredible speeds. The brain is capable of processing information at incredible speeds. Some studies have shown that the brain can process visual information in as little as 13 milliseconds. Fact number 7, the human brain can hold up to 2.5 petabytes of information. The human brain has an incredible capacity to store information. Some estimates suggest that the brain can hold up to 2.5 petabytes of information, which is equivalent to about 3 million hours of TV shows. Fact number 8, the human brain is responsible for our sense of smell. The olfactory bulb, which is responsible for our sense of smell, is located in the brain. The brain can distinguish between thousands of different scents and can even recognize smells that are associated with specific memories or experiences. Fact number 9, the human brain can process information faster than a computer. The human brain is an amazing device capable of processing massive volumes of information at breakneck speeds. While computers have transformed the way we process and store information, they still lack the processing capacity of the brain. The human brain can process information at a rate of 120 meters per second, which is significantly faster than even today's most modern computers. This speed is due in part to the brain's vast parallel processing capabilities, with billions of neurons processing information at the same time. Furthermore, the brain can swiftly adapt to new information, but computers require programming and processing time to execute new tasks. While computers are necessary tools in modern civilization, the power and complexity of the human brain in terms of information processing and cognitive capacities remain unrivaled. Fact number 10, the human brain can create new neural pathways. The human brain is extremely flexible, with the ability to form new neuronal connections in response to environmental, experience, and learning changes. This is known as neuroplasticity, and it allows the brain to restructure and make new connections between neurons, resulting in behavioral and cognitive changes. Neuroplasticity is especially crucial for brain injury and illness recovery because it allows the brain to compensate for damaged areas by rerouting functions to healthy regions. It is also important in learning and memory because new information is processed and stored in the brain via the development of new neural connections. As a result, neuroplasticity can be increased by a variety of activities such as learning new abilities, engaging in physical activity, and practicing mindfulness. Fact number 11, the human brain is affected by stress. The human brain is extremely susceptible to stress, and stressful situations can have a major impact on its functioning. When a person is stressed, their body produces stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, which can cause an increase in heart rate, blood pressure, and a heightened sense of alertness. Chronic stress can also modify the structure and function of the brain, impairing memory, decision-making, and emotional regulation. Prolonged stress can also contribute to mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. As a result, it is critical to manage stress and take efforts to limit its influence on the brain and overall health. The human brain is an incredible organ that is capable of amazing feats. From its ability to generate new neurons to its incredible processing power, the brain is truly a marvel of nature. We hope that you've enjoyed learning these 10 amazing facts about the human brain. Share this with your family and friends. We'll be back with another interesting topic. Thank you.